In this video, I'll show you how to install Android apps on Windows 11. You will be able to install Android apps from Play Store to your Windows 11 PC. The method that I will show you is going to be simple and you don't need to enable virtualization or anything else. All you have to do is to follow everything step by step. But before we continue with the video, I want to make an announcement about Keys Fun. Here you can buy everything you need from games and softwares to Windows keys. They have been on the market for many years and they have the fastest service out there. If you want to activate your Windows, you can do it now for as low as $7 because they are offering 50% off on all their products. The links will be in the video description, you can go and check them out. So let's get started. The first step that you're going to make is to open your favorite browser and you're going to search for Bluestacks download. You're going to click on the first search result, or you can find the link of this website in the video description. Here you have different versions of Bluestacks, and Bluestacks is the best emulator out there. As you can see, we have the Bluestacks 5, which is optimized for Windows 11, and you have the 32-bit version and the 64-bit version, and you can download it for Windows and Mac. If you are confused what an emulator is a software that allows you to run Android apps on your PC. We have to download the Bluestacks 5, which is optimized for Windows 11, and you are going to click on the 64-bit or 32-bit if you, depending on your operating system. For me, I'm going to click on 64-bit and click on download, and this will automatically start downloading. So after it's finished, we're going to click on the file and this will open installation window. So as you can see, this window will pop up. Let me close this one, as you can see, and here we have an option to install it now. Click on it and it will start downloading the Bluestacks. From the ads that it's showing, it uses less RAM than the Bluestacks 4, which is great for user experience. Let's wait for it until it downloads. After the installation is completed, it will start Bluestacks and you have to wait. After you start Bluestacks, here you have Play Store, Game Center, System Apps like Settings, Camera and Chrome. So what you have to do to download Android apps on Windows 11, you have to open Play Store and you have to sign in. So enter your email or phone. After you enter your email and your password, if you have enabled the two-step verification, you have to click yes on your phone. So now you are going to click on I agree, click on accept, and now we can download the Android apps on Windows 11. So you can download Spotify, Fiverr, Garena Free Fire, any game that you want. I'm going to download Facebook. What you have to do is to click on install and it will start downloading. And in this emulator it will run smoothly because it uses 50% less RAM than the other emulators like Game Loop, which is the official emulator of PUBG Mobile. So after the app is installed, you will have to click on open, and as you can see, it will run the application. Super easy compared to the other videos that I have seen on YouTube, which show you an option which Windows 11 is capable to turn on the virtualization mode. In my opinion, that is a complicated way, and this one is super easy, and the emulator will run the apps super fast. Hope this video helped you. If you had any problem using this method, please leave a comment. I will do my best to help you, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I can catch you on the next video. Peace out.